Every single day, millions of fraudulent emails flood inboxes around the world. The criminals sending these are no longer just making obvious spelling mistakes in their text. They are now using high quality copies of corporate logos and official color schemes to deceive you. Hi guys, we're Connect, a social enterprise aimed at helping people be more social literate online. Today we're going to look at avoiding fraudulent emails and 5 tips to help you against this. Before looking into technical details, we must understand the main weapon behind these scams, and this is the urgency trap. Scammers know when you're calm, you make rational decisions. To bypass your logic, they use specific wording to create a state of high anxiety. They'll claim your bank account is locked or an unauthorized purchase was made. They might entice you with an unexpected refund or a cash prize. The common denominator in these messages is always the phrase, "act now or else." If an email demands you that you click the link immediately, that is your first red flag. Step-by-step email header audit. Now let us look at the ultimate defense tool, which is the email header audit. This is the single most important skill you can learn to protect your personal data. While a scammer can easily copy a logo, they cannot fake the true origin of an email. When an email arrives in your inbox, it displays a friendly display name like Netflix support. However, that text is just a customizable label that anyone can type in. To see the truth, you must check the actual email address hidden behind the name. If you're on a desktop computer, look at the top of the email next to the sender's name. You'll usually see the real email address hidden inside angled brackets. If it is hidden, click the small downward arrow or the 3-dot icon labeled Show Details. If you are on a mobile device, this process is slightly different because phone screens hide information. So to see real addresses on a phone, you must physically tap on the sender's display name. This action will expand the header and reveal the full hidden email address. If the text claims to be PayPal, but the header shows random Gmail addresses, you know it is a fraud. So here are 5 crucial tips to outsmart email scams. Spot the lookalike domains. Sophisticated scammers will buy domain names that look almost identical to the real companies. For example, they might use a capital letter I instead of lower letter L in a name. You must look incredibly closely at the spelling of the domain directly. Use the hover link trick. You should never click a button or a link or a suspicious email. If you're on a computer, place your mouse cursor directly over the link before clicking it. Look for generic greetings. Legitimate companies that you do business with will almost always address you by your actual name. If an email from a bank begins with "Dear Customer," it's likely a scam. Tip 4. Beware of unusual attachments. You should be deeply suspicious of unexpected attachments, especially PDF or zip files. Scammers disguise harmful malware as innocent invoices or shipping labels. Verify via independent channels. If you receive an alarming email from a service you use, do not interact with that message. Open a brand new web browser and manually type the official website address into your URL and log in through there and do what you have to do. So if you did like this video, make sure to check out our products and subscriptions down below. Like and subscribe if you want more of this content. Have a good day and bye.